All right, guys, today we're going to be trying an ultra thin armor fiber case, and it's from Aulumu. You've seen me do videos with them before. So this case will run you about $69, and that is the running cost for it. So we're going to take it off here. This packaging, very nice packaging or whatever. At least they can have nice packaging. Some companies charge a premium price, and even though you don't do anything with this packaging, still, it's nice to see some premium packaging. So let's get it open here. And it does come with a front and back piece. Some places are not giving you a front and back piece, which is crazy to me. I don't understand that. Some places are not. Is that MagSafe? Oh, they've hidden away their MagSafe ring. I was about to say, whoa, no MagSafe ring. Whoa. But yeah, it has a MagSafe ring. I was getting worried there for a second. So you've got your no returns if removed. So don't remove this if you bought it and you don't know if you don't like it. So let's go ahead and get this beautiful case off here. Obviously, this is my grip case. It's been my favorite case so far. So we're going to get this on. Now, no hinge protection or anything like this. With this case, you're getting rear coverage and front coverage. It's a nice design already, I can tell. It's an ultra thin case. And so let's go ahead and get the little plastic adhesive things off. Oh, it's just one? Okay. All right, so we always go in and press all the way over like this when you're doing cases like this and run your fingers along like that. So here it is. Now, I'm a fan of ultra thin cases, and this one is no exception. This is a really nice case. Their design language around this area here, it's different, it's eclectic, it's really nice. The wording, I don't understand too much about the wording, why it says that, but it's just something, CPU cooling is what it's saying here. And this is the area where it gets a little warm too. Okay, I get it. I see why they would put that there. It says CPU cooling. Let me see if I can zoom for you here. You see that? It says CPU cooling. Yeah, and you can read the rest there, what it says. So, okay, I get it. I see why they did that. But yeah, a little bit of branding here. You can see your power button and volume rocker are exposed. Make sure all ports and everything up here are exposed as well. And then make sure your ports are exposed on the bottom. So, it's a mixed crowd with people who like folding phones. Some people don't care if there's hinge protection. I'm one of those people who do not care if there's hinge protection. And some people care if there's hinge protection if you're spending, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 bucks. And Samsung is asking $100 for a similar case that's probably offering less. I don't even think it has a front screen protector, a front frame on it, but it's just a personal preference. If you like, hinge protection, some people feel like since they're spending a certain amount of money, they should have it. But I think it boils down to definitely a design of the case and how it goes on. And this case right here looks like it's a little bit off on the back. I guess you could kind of see right there. It's a little bit of the green showing, this pistachio showing, but it could be the way I have it on. But the top portion definitely is good. But it looks nice, man. This is a case right here that will definitely make it to the hands of a lot of people more than likely. It's a $69 ultra thin case with front and rear, but it doesn't have the hinge protection. It does have MagSafe. I tested that right away. So I was like, man, no MagSafe, but it does have it. Yeah, I like how they kind of hidden away their MagSafe. And it's not that other cases manufacturers haven't done that, because you can see on my grip, you can kind of see a little bit of it here. But this magnet is much stronger than this magnet. I mean, this is an ultra thin case, but it still has MagSafe. So you decide whether you think this is worth it or not. I'll leave a link in the description for you to grab yours, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.